Welcome to section 5, Cloud Anchors. In this section, we'll be talking about an overview of Cloud Anchors, then we'll describe how to set up Cloud Anchors, and then we'll finish by building a sample app with Cloud Anchors. In this video, we'll be talking about an overview of Cloud Anchors and what is a Cloud Anchor, how Cloud Anchors work, and the use cases of Cloud Anchors. So what is a Cloud Anchor? Cloud Anchors actually gives you the ability to create AR apps that share a common frame of reference, enabling multiple users to place virtual content in the same real-world location that can be seen in different devices in the same position and orientation relative to the environment. To get a better feel of what Cloud Anchor is, let's look at an illustration made by Google. So here is the illustration. We can see the first device detecting a plane and uploading the anchor to the cloud, and then a second device comes in, resolves the anchor from the cloud, and is looking at the same point of reference. So that is exactly what is meant by it allows you to create shared AR experiences so that people can see a common frame of reference and interact virtually with that. So how does it work? Basically, Cloud Anchor can work cross-platform. It can let you make ARKit, which is iOS, and or ARCore anchors available to multiple devices in the same physical environment. So users in the same physical environment can add Cloud Anchors to the AR scene that they see on their device. So your app can render 3D objects attached to the Cloud Anchors, letting users see and interact with the objects simultaneously from different angles of view. So to make these shared experiences possible, the ARCore SDK uses Google servers to host and resolve anchors. Clients must have a working internet connection in order to access Google servers. So here are the use cases possible with Cloud Anchors. The most obvious one is multiplayer AR gaming, followed by a virtual art exhibition in which multiple people are in the same room and they're looking at a virtual art exhibition from different angles. Also, a shared classroom experience where, let's say, all the students in the classroom have an AR app and they're all looking at, let's say, the human skeleton, for example, and they're looking at the same objects but from different angle and points of reference. So collaborative AR drawing, in which multiple people can be drawing in the same location, looking at the world as one big giant canvas instead of a flat 2D experience. So that's all for this video.